everybody. Now I tried shooting a film earlier of me feeding the birds, but I guess it didn't come out. So here's another one. First thing on the menu is bread. Just threw some bread out there. It's half piece of bread. As you can see, all the birds are circling now. Circling to get the bread. There comes one right there. Okay, now they've already had quite the feast. Oh, somebody already took off with the bread. Here's another quarter of a piece. Okay, next thing on the menu after this, first throw that one, is going to be these tortilla chips, because they're very hard, so I've soaked them in water. Wow, that one just stuffed it in his mouth. Here come more. They've just been waiting. I've already given them 6 pieces of bread. Okay, alright, throw a tortilla chip up there. There we go. Now these have been soaked in water, as you can see, so they don't choke. There's another one. That one landed off the roof. Whoops. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. We've got a big lineup of birds coming to feast. They're not doing a good job throwing though. Big white ones are starting to come. They used to be the crows, but I think the crows are getting scared. Here's some more, see? And a few more. And a few more. Now let's see how they do. Let's throw this water down. Let's see how they do. Birds. Watch from inside. It's the best way to watch. It's too cold out there. There we go. Feast. This is what I do every single day. Every single day, these birds get a feast. But if they know that you're watching them, they won't eat. They'll take off with the food and go somewhere else. That's why I came inside. And that's all, folks. Got one more crow left over here. Wonder if he got any food. Yeah. Until tomorrow. Bye.